Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a fire truck. Let's start off by drawing the wheels with one circle here and two circles here. Next, for the bumper, draw a horizontal line in front that arches over the first tire, then again to the second tire, and one more time for the third tire. From there, curve a line down and to the left, followed by a horizontal line between the wheels like so, and another, and then draw a line that curves up to this point on the other side. For the front of the fire truck, draw a large rounded rectangle over the lone wheel. And for the back, draw a wider rounded rectangle over these two wheels. Next, draw a horizontal line in between to connect the two. To start the lift, draw a trapezoid up on the back here, followed by a long rectangle at an angle like so. At the top, draw another trapezoid behind the rectangle for the bucket that the fireman sits in. To add some texture, draw some straight lines for the bucket. And for the frame, divide the long rectangle in half, and then divide those two in half as well. And finish it off with some diagonal lines in the openings like so. On the front, draw two big rectangles for the windows. With a small wide oval under this one for the door handle. Then, a larger half oval here for the headlights. Next, draw two long horizontal lines across the body of the fire truck for a stripe design. And then two more long horizontal lines up here. And some vertical lines in between for a ladder. For some added detail, draw a rectangle here on the back of the fire truck with a horizontal line at the top for a drawer. Then, repeat this step two more times for some more drawers. In the middle, draw a tall rectangle with a rounded top, a triangle on top, and two short horizontal lines across for a fire extinguisher. And to the right, we can add some controls by drawing a large square with a horizontal line across, 3 circles for some gauges, and 3 horizontal lines underneath to give the idea of some machinery. On top of the front of the fire truck, draw a thin horizontal rectangle, a trapezoid on top with an X inside, and some lines going outward for the flashing light. Then, to the left, draw a small rectangle with a sideways triangle like so, and some more lines going outward for the siren. On the windows, draw 2 short horizontal lines on each to make it look like glass. And lastly, draw some smaller circles in the tires. And now you've got a fire truck.